Trump freezes pay for essential farm workers. Y'all, I believe Donald Trump is going too far now. As he keeps mounting up all of these lawsuits that keeps getting thrown out of court by Republican judges, they're a waste of time. He freezes the wages of farm workers. All of these years, all of the farm workers has always had his back, and he's always praised the farm workers. Well, now he freezes their wages. Apparently, they're making too much money. But at the same time, he keeps mounting all of these lawsuits. He's only looking out for himself right now. He's trying to save his own job. And the hell with the American farm workers that's had his back all of these years. Y'all, I don't go publicly and talk negative against our president, but this is wrong. He's doing this out of spite because he's mad, because he's lost the election. Now, sure, he's still in office and all the votes are not counted, but most likely he has lost this election and he's mad. He did not get his way. He's just like the rest of them in Washington. If they don't get their way, they cry. Now, I know President Trump does not get paid for his job, but there are tons of other perks that comes with being the president, and he don't want to lose that. I mean, his own business, sure, he's not working it right now, but it is still the family business. Can you imagine a big multi-billionaire company building this big building while they're getting the president's family to build it for him? That's a perk. I would like to know how much his family business has grown since he's been president. Yeah, he freezes the wages of the American farm workers. Does all these lawsuits. But at the same time, no stimulus checks for the American people. Oh, and by the way, he thinks the farmers are getting paid too much. Thanks a lot, Mr. President. Thanks a lot. The whole administration has hurt the American people so much. It amazes me why any American citizen would vote any of them back in office. Japan and Germany has just passed a new stimulus package for their people. But the best country in the world can't help their own people. Come on, just one stimulus check for the past 6 months, that's only $200 a month. How can a family live on $200 a month? I would like to see anyone in Washington, D.C., anyone in office live on $200 a month. They can't do it. Joe Biden has already went to work on a stimulus package, and we may be getting a stimulus bill passed by the end of the year. If not by the end of the year, it will be right after the first of the year. And he's not even in office yet, and he's already gone to work for the American people. Joe Biden has also said that he can and will without Congress, and it's been proven that he can do this without Congress, on student loans up to $40,000 per person. Wipe it away. So if you owe $35,000 or $40,000 worth of student loan, overnight it's gone. It looks like the change may be for good. We have to give him a chance. I know the election is not really over yet until all votes are counted. But if everything stays the way it is right now, Joe Biden will be our next president. And we need to give him our support. I mean, Donald Trump has really messed up now. He's a lame duck president, and he has froze the wages of the American farm workers. This is ridiculous. I can't believe it. Now, I know he's going to probably use the excuse, well, these farm labor workers, they're mostly Mexican or from other foreign countries, and why do we want to give them pay raises? Well, it's because they're doing a job for us. They're taking care of our food chain. And they must be legal or else they wouldn't be here working to get a regular paycheck. Now, if they're illegal, they're probably not getting a regular paycheck. They're getting paid under the table. Their wages wouldn't go up anyway. So, if he's going to use that as an excuse to make it sound like it's good, he's barking up the wrong tree. Y'all, let me know in the comments what you think about this. I mean, President Trump freezing the wages, but at the same time, him and everyone else in Washington are living high on the hog off of our tax money. It don't add up to me. I think he's gone way too far this time. This is his legacy that he's building as he's leaving office. And this is what he wants to be left being known as, the person that froze the wages of the American farm worker. I think his bitterness is getting the best of him. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and check out the video that's popping up here now. And just know, I do love you all. Ciao.